Hello, hello. Let's look at the markets after the weekend. So, I haven't been trading on Friday, but I guess the levels were perfectly fine on Friday as well. What is interesting the most to me is that this area held to the tick almost like only just slightly below it. This is the flip zone, right? So if the market would have gone below this, then we would have gone into a more bearish mode. But the area held, and that means we're back in a more bullish mode, or we remain in a bullish mode. So let's see if we need to adjust some levels. This one is interesting, right? It held to the tick, and then it went up here. So let's say we respect the most recent bounce. We move this up slightly, which is also the overnight high at the moment. Then we're gonna move out this one a tiny bit, so it touches over here. Let's see this level. What do we do with this one, right? This is a weird one. You could say it touches here and here, maybe? But it also seems like a level that doesn't really... Right, does it add any value? Alright, here's what I'm thinking, right? It didn't hold over here, it went straight to over here. Then over here, went straight through it. This is where it held. It went straight through it over here, went straight through it over here, and then it held over here. So, yeah, I'm gonna remove it because it doesn't feel powerful enough to me. Then this is gonna go under here to respect the most recent touch. I'm still thinking about this one though. Maybe this one isn't that bad. Over here. Let's see, that's not what I meant. Oh, why are you not giving me a line? Thank you. That's what I was looking for. So I guess I like this one more. This is a difficult one. Maybe you move it up a tiny bit. It seems so out of place though. Yeah. Let's have a look on the center screen then. The 5 tick, where the thing goes. I think it's this one, right? So it's no, I'm gonna get rid of it. This is a difficult one though, because you want to have probably want to have something in between here, but it's not like there's a very clear area that applies to. Let's see, do we still like wait, that's not what I meant. Do we still like this one? Over here, this one lower. Let's respect the recent touchdown. And the other ones, we can adjust this one a bit lower. Am I still happy with the flip zone? I think I am. Should I move the flip zone up? Probably not. It was a very important level, so let's just stick to that then. So the next best trade would be a bounce of this one over here. And maybe when it breaks and it shows us some confirmation, we could take a trade to that level as well. Bounce of here when it holds to this level, and maybe we can go up here. Let's see if those older days. Can we zoom out still? Does that work? There's nothing on the left though. I'm still gonna hold the levels there. They touched previously somewhere. We haven't seen it in days, even weeks. But yeah, those levels will be respected nonetheless. Alright, let's move on to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you have made some new highs. That's interesting though, right? The world is collapsing slowly. There are more cases every day of coronavirus found by people, and still, I don't know, people don't really seem to care in the market. It's interesting. Let's see. So we had some touches over here. Maybe a little bit more down to respect the most recent touch. We have a touch here. We have some touches here. Could we use this level? Well, nothing really happened in the more recent events. Right, so of course we respect this one at the top. It's insane how much it moved up. The current level, it's somewhere in the middle of nowhere. This one as well. Do we have some valid points over here? We do. I like this one. This one is difficult. You could pick 3 points here, right? You could use this one, but I'm gonna use this one, the most recent one that I found support on. I think I'm gonna ignore this area because it went rather quickly through it. They don't really reverse or something. This could be an interesting level. It's really close to the other ones. But I still think we have to short keys. Yes. Let's go. Why is it not working? I'm so confused. Okay. So let's put that over there. So it touches over here on the right. As this found some other areas as well. This was the pullback level where the impulse started to the top. Yeah, I think we're Gucci now. How are all the levels doing? How are they respected? Fairly well. I don't want a new one, I want an existing one. Move this down over here. Yeah, you should go over here, mate. I'm not sure if you're gonna find... It has to dip a whole lot if these levels come into play, right? Let's remove this one. But the cleanup is important because you never know when it comes here, right? And you never know where these levels are based on. When they're out of view from a few weeks ago. So it's important to keep them good. Alright, the most recent touches. This one is more important to me because it had multiple butt touches over here instead of just a quick bounce. You can move up slightly to the top. Alright, the Nasdaq is good. So let's see what it does. It's a really calm day so far. Except for like a burst over here though. Alright, so let's restore you and let's go to the oil. Let's see what happened here. Right, it broke through our flip zone and then it broke back. So, does that mean that our flip zone... I can't really zoom out anymore. I can't go back either. So, let's see, what does this mean? I still like the flip zone though, it's weird, right? But maybe adjust it slightly so it's more to the top. And move this down a bit. It's amazing how these levels hold, right? They're not as close as on the Nasdaq and the S&P, but I think it's just a matter of experience to actually start to understand how oil moves exactly and how its levels are respected. This one is an important one. Hello, you are in the middle of nowhere. Right, this is weird. But let's go with this area. So it touches over here and it touches on the current price. Let's adjust this one to the top of that point and move up slightly over here. Our most recent touch is good again. I'm not too sure about the flip zone in this case though. Maybe this is more of the flip zone at the moment. Slightly more down. Make this one neutral. So it bounced a couple of times here. And we still have this area on the left. So I think I want to keep it at this this way. So it's probably gonna not gonna see this price today, but you never know what's gonna happen. For some reason, I'm still waiting for the market to totally collapse and realize that the world is like in a bad shape at the moment. But yeah, you can't really tell, right? There are so many things happening that do not make any sense whatsoever. So this was our market analysis. Let's see what the market does today, and I will be posting my trading session today as well.